In the vast expanse where horizons meet, from August's tale to September's feet, rises a city, brief yet profound, where art and soul are unbound. Burning Man, in Black Rock's embrace, gathers dreamers from every place. A world where the canvas is the sand, crafted by a communal hand. The structures rise, sculptures tall, whimsical, profound, encompassing all. Fire dancers twirl, flames kiss the night, underneath the desert's starry light. Minds unite, bodies free to roam, for a fleeting week, this desert's home. Creativity's pulse, the heartbeat strong, in this oasis where all belong. A wooden giant stands proud and grand, symbol of unity in this arid land. And as he burns, in fiery glow, the essence of life begins to show. For it's not just art, nor just a fest, but a testament to humanity's best. Bridging gaps, erasing lines, in this gathering, the spirit shines. From sunrise hues to twilight's gleam, Burning Man's more than it might seem. A journey of self, of love, of strife, it's a microcosm of the dance of life. So as September dawns, the embers fade, memories etched, friendships made. Till the next dance, the flames rise high, underneath the vast Nevada sky. In a world ephemeral, yet so real, Burning Man makes the heart feel. From August 27th to September 4th send, join the tribe, find a friend. For in the desert, magic spun, a celebration under the sun. Burning Man, where stories weave, in the dance of dreams, we believe.